Hello friends, my name is Jacob Van Kooten. I'm the executive chef for Glencroft Center for Modern Aging. We are going to be working on some roasted cod. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to take some nice 4 to 5 ounce pieces of Atlantic cod, and we're going to take some no salt garden vegetable seasoning. It's a mixture of onions, carrots, other herbs and spices, a little bit of pepper, and we're going to nice even seasoning across the whole fish. Our fish doesn't come seasoned, so we really want to make sure that you have really nice coverage all the way across. Meanwhile, we have our pan over here with, we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. You're then going to take that nicely seasoned cod. So from the skin side, you're going to do skin side up first and just place it right into that nice sizzling oil. We're going to do this for about 3 to 4 minutes just to get a nice color. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to throw it in the oven. All right, once we've kind of reached that color, it's a nice golden crust. You're going to flip it over. You want to make sure it's still cooking and searing in that oil. It's going to sear in all of that nice flaky, juicy goodness that Atlantic cod really has. All right, after another 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to take it off of the heat. We're going to put it on a pan and we're going to put it in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, so our fish is done. You can tell by the looks of it, it's nice and flaky. It's cooked all the way through. It has a nice golden color to it. Place that right there. And then who doesn't love lemon with fish? A little bit of here. Again, my name is Jacob Van Kooten. I'm the executive chef for Glencroft Center for Modern Aging, and this has been Roasted Cod.